So here is Pronterface, and I'm going to home my y-axis.
Like 9 o'clock, you can call various auto repair places and say, if I bring you my car, can you diagnose it by the end of the day?
And I'm going to home the x-axis.
But you can also do it in Gresham.
And then I'm going to show you that the z-axis does indeed move.
My impression of dealerships is that they expect people that might need to be dealing with them, so they charge you money.
Oh no, they'll tell you everything that's wrong with it.
Doesn't mean you want to.
Doesn't mean you pay.
Yeah, the problem with dealerships is that they want you to fix all kinds
But
of stuff. And so even if something doesn't really need fixed, they'll tell you.
when I try and home it,
But if there's anything that needs some work, they'll tell you.
this is the noise it makes.
And
then you can interpret
I called
So,
Tyler's and I was like,
what do you think?
I want to know what I need to do.